Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel, and in today's video I'm going to show you guys how to identify recurring payments with Trim. Recurring charges can sneak up on you, but Trim makes it easy to spot them before they drain your wallet. Here's how to identify recurring payments with just a few taps. First, open the Trim app and log in. From the main dashboard, you're going to tap on the subscriptions or recurring charges tab, depending of course on your version of the app. Trim automatically scans all linked accounts and highlight charges that repeat, whether it's monthly, weekly, or annually. You're going to see a list of services with their payment frequency, the last charge amount, as well as next expected billing date. These include streaming platforms, games, cloud apps, gym memberships, and more. If something looks unfamiliar, just tap the charge to expand its details. You're going to get a full transaction history and even suggestions on whether it's a true subscription or possible billing error. Trim also flags unusual or duplicate recurring charges, so you can catch anything suspicious much earlier on. If you want to manage or cancel a recurring payment, just tap the subscription and choose either cancel, pause, or get reminders before the next billing dates. This feature is perfect for staying on top of your finances and avoiding those awkward moments. Next, I'm going to show you how to actually save money by canceling or unused services directly through Trim. So be sure to like and subscribe to keep your finances sharp. That's pretty much it for this video, guys. I hope you liked it. See you in the next one.